श्रीमन्नारायणीयं सप्तपञ्चाशन् दशकं प्रलम्बासुरवधवर्णनम्। रामसखः क्वापि दिने कामदभगवन् गतो भवान् विपिनं सूनुभिरपि गोपानान् धेनुभिरभिसंवृतो लसद्वेषः। रामसखः is a compound word. Khamah pranah visarga changes to jihva mulya kwapi. Ramasakhah kwapi because of sandhi. Dine kamada is a compound word. Bhagavan bhamah pranah. Gataha becomes gato because of sandhi. Bhavan bhamah pranah vipinam. Ramasakhah kwapi dine kamada bhagavan gato bhavan vipinam. Sunubhihi bhasmaha pranah visarga changes to repha api. Sunubhirapi because of sandhi. Gopanam dhenubhihi dha and bhar mahapranah. Gopanam dhenubhihi because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu there. Visarga changes to repha. Abhisamvritaha bhasmaha pranah. Dhenubhir abhisamvritaha because of sandhi. Abhisamvritaha becomes abhisamvrito because of sandhi. Lasadveshaha is a compound word. Sunubhirapi gopanam dhenubhirabhisamvrito lasadveshaha. Ramasakhah kwapi dine kamata bhagavan gato bhavan vipinam sunubhirapi gopanam dhenubhirabhisamvrito lasadveshaha. Sandarshayan balaya स्वैरं वृन्दावनश्रियं विमलां काण्डीरैः सह बालैर्भाण्डीरकमागमो वटं क्रीडन्. संदर्शयन् बलाय स्वैरं वृन्दावनश्रियं is a compound word. स्वैरं वृन्दावनश्रियं because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to the nasal of vimalam. Vrindavanashriyam vimalam again because of sandhi. Sandarshayan balaya swairam vrindavanashriyam vimalam. Now Vrindavanam, the alternate pronunciation is Brindavanam. Kandiraihi, visarga changes to su there. Saha, Kandirais saha because of sandhi. Balaihi, visarga changes to repha. Bhandirakam, bhas mahapranah. Balair bhandirakam because of sandhi. Agamaha. Balair bhandirakamagamah. Agamaha becomes agamo because of sandhi. Vatam kridan. Vatang kridan because of sandhi. Kandirais saha balair bhandirakamagammo vatang kridan. Sandarshayan balaya swairam vrindavanashriyam vimalam Kandirais saha balair bhandirakamagammo vatang kridan. Tavat tavaka nidhanaspruhayalur gopamurtiradayaluhu daityah pralambanama pralambabahum bhavantamapede. Tavat tavaka nidhanaspruhayaluhu is a compound word. Nidhanadhas mahapranah. Visarga changes to repha. Gopamurtihi is a compound word. Tavaka nidhanaspruhayalur gopamurtihi because of sandhi. Visarga changes to repha again. Adayaluhu is a compound word. Gopamurtiradayaluhu because of sandhi. Tavat tavaka nidhanaspruhayalur gopamurtiradayaluhu. Daityaha visarga changes to upadhmanya. Pralambanama is a compound word. Daityah pralambanama because of sandhi. Pralambabahum is a compound word. Bhavantam bhamaha pranah apede. Bhavantamapede. Daityah pralambanama pralambabahum bhavantamapede. Tavat tavaka nidhanaspruhayalur gopamurtiradayaluhu Daityah pralambanama pralambabahum bhavantamapede.